guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 2. Thank you for joining me on Day 2 of COOKMAS, where I will be cooking for the month of December, giving you delicious recipes throughout the month in the holiday season. Today's recipe is going to be definitely quick and easy for sure, with the help of a few store-bought items. We're going to go ahead and make a baked sausage Alfredo pasta. So I'm pretty sure you've heard of chicken Alfredo and maybe even shrimp Alfredo. But in this case, we are going to take some Italian sausage and pair that with some Alfredo sauce and noodles and cheese. And we are going to have what I call a scrumptious weeknight meal and taste even better. So hopefully you guys are ready for this delicious and easy recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, you guys. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started.
I remember your black dress and how you turned my mind completely into such a mess, so easily. And it really came as no surprise. You look beyond comparing every time that I came close to making a move. I froze. If only I was some kind of poet. If only I was a poet.
Okay, so this is what I call the baked sausage Alfredo pasta. It has layers of goodness, guys, within the Alfredo sauce. Again, use whatever kind of Alfredo sauce you like, or even make your own. Then with the sausage, go ahead and use hot sausage if you like. You could probably even try some turkey sausage in there and see how that goes. But it is creamy and velvety. The rigatoni noodles hold up to the sauce very well because they are a larger style of pasta, so they can soak up a lot of sauce. So that is a very good pasta to choose. You can also use the ziti or the penne as well. Go ahead and make this your own, guys. Definitely can become a favorite weeknight meal. The flavors are outstanding. It reminds you of a delicious Alfredo pasta. So hopefully you did enjoy today's COOKMAS recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.